Today, I'm going to teach you how to post on LinkedIn. Whether you're sharing professional updates, industry insights, or engaging with your network, knowing how to create posts effectively is essential for building your presence on the platform. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, log into your account by entering your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your LinkedIn profile to access your account successfully. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. This is where you'll see your feed and various options for interacting with the platform. Look towards the top of the page where you'll notice a section that says Start a Post. This is your gateway to sharing content with your professional network, and it's designed to be easily accessible so you can quickly share updates whenever inspiration strikes. Go ahead and click on Start a Post. This action will open up a text box where you can compose your message. Here's where you'll type in whatever you want to share with your connections. It could be a professional update, a thoughtful article, a question to spark discussion, or even a personal achievement you'd like to celebrate with your network. The text box gives you plenty of space to express your ideas clearly and professionally. Now, if you want to add some personality to your post, look at the bottom of the text box. You'll see an emoji icon. Click on it to browse through available emojis and select ones that complement your message. Emojis can help make your posts more engaging and add a human touch to your professional communications. Right next to the emoji icon, you'll find an image icon. Clicking this allows you to add pictures to your post. Visual content often performs better on LinkedIn, so if you have a relevant image, infographic, or photo that supports your message, this is the perfect opportunity to include it. Simply select the image from your device and it will be added to your post. LinkedIn also offers several other interactive options to enhance your posts. You can create an event if you're organizing a webinar or professional gathering. There's also an option to celebrate an occasion like a work anniversary or a team member's achievement. If your company is hiring, you can share that you're looking for new talent. You can create a poll to gather opinions from your network, add a document like a PDF or presentation, or even find an expert to collaborate with or mention in your post. These features make LinkedIn posts incredibly versatile and allow you to engage your audience in different ways. Once you've crafted your message and added any additional elements you want, it's time to share it with your network. Look for the Post button, typically located at the bottom right of the composition box, and click it. Your post will now be published to your LinkedIn feed, visible to your connections, and potentially to a wider audience, depending on your privacy settings. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a post on LinkedIn, allowing you to connect with your professional network and share valuable content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.